Carry out each problem in the base given. Check your result by converting to base 10. Okay, so I'm going to use the standard algorithm for addition, but in base 5. So I'm going to start by calculating 3, 1, 4 plus 2, 4, 3 in base 5. So I'm writing it out left to right by aligning place values, and then I'm going to start with the ones column, just like we do in base 10. So 4 plus 3 is 7, but we're in base 5. There is no number 7. So 4 plus 3 is 7, and every time you get a bundle of 5 things, we move to the next place value because we're in base 5. So 4 plus 3 is 7. That's one group of 5 with 2 left over. So I'm going to move my group of 5 to the next place value and have 2 left over. And then I'm going to add the next place value, 4, 5, 6. Okay, but remember, anytime you get a bundle of 5, we're going to move that to the next place value. So 6 is one bundle of 5 with 1 left over. And then add the last place value, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is one bundle of 5 with 1 left over. So 1, 1, 1, 2. Base 5. That's base 5. Okay, so to check, I'm going to convert to base 10. So I'm going to convert each of my numbers, 3, 1, 4, base 5, to base 10. Okay, so in base 10, that would be 3 times, so in base 5, my place values are 1s, 5s, 25s. So this is going to be 3 times 25 plus 1 times 5 plus 4 times 1. And that's 75, 80, 84, base 10. And then 2, 4, 3, convert that to base 5, so that convert that from base 5 to base 10. So that's 2 25s, 4 5s, and 3 1s. And that's 50 plus 20 is 70, 73. And then I'm going to add these, okay? So when I add them in base, I already added them in base 5. I got this, right? In base 10, I'm just going to add these using the standard algorithm. 4 and 3 is 7. Carry the 1, and that's 16, 167. Okay. So this number and this number, we convert them each to base 10 and add them together, and we get 167, base 10. So now I just want to make sure that this number, if I convert it to base 10, should give me 167. So if I convert this to base 10, I'm going to have, again, 1s, 5s, 25s, 125s, because 5 cubed is 125. So 1, 1, 1, 2, base 5 in base 10 is 1 times 125 plus 1 times 25 plus 1 times 5 plus 2 times 1. And that comes out to 125 plus 25 is 150, 155, 157. Okay, those don't match. Let me double check my math over here. 4 and 3 is 7. I didn't have to carry a 1. 4 and 3 is just 7. Okay. And then 7 and 8 is 15. Okay, I made a little mistake over here. Okay, so when I add 84 and 73, I get 157. And then my answer to this sum when I convert it to base 10 is 157. So these match, so I know this is right.